Hi friends, in the last video we deployed our application to Heroku. Our React application is named My App Testing, and if you go to the activity tab you can also see the Heroku domain where it is deployed. In the last video we ended up in a warning error R14 memory quota exceeded in the terminal. If you Google search it, you will find plenty of solutions. First Google search took me to a R14 memory quota exceeded in Ruby solution. From heroku, it means calculated by memory total of memory swap and RSS and cache. You'll get these errors if application is poorly degraded. Now, if you see the solution online, the first link will not take you to the right place because it's showing me solution for Ruby on Rails. Let's add a keyword for React and see what happens. So when it first shows you what test means, it means memory code exceeded error message will be emitted to your application logs. And when your node application uses more memory than Dino, then it happens. There are so many troubleshooting good articles available on Heroku which could help you. But before you go into those troubleshooting, first check that your deployment is correctly set in Heroku. For a React app, you'll need to do some more changes. You need to add some configurations for it to work properly. So let's make sure we have done that before we jump into troubleshooting articles from Heroku. Now, if you see the solution online, the first link will not take you to the right place because it's showing me solution for Ruby on Rails. Let's add a keyword for React and see what happens. So when it first shows you what test means, it means memory code exceeded error message will be emitted to your application logs. And when your node application uses more memory than Dino, then it happens. There are so many troubleshooting good articles available on Heroku which could help you. But before you go into those troubleshooting, first check that your deployment is correctly set in Heroku. For a React app, you'll need to do some more changes. You need to add some configurations for it to work properly. So let's make sure we have done that before we jump into troubleshooting articles from Heroku. Now, if you see the solution online, the first link will not take you to the right place because it's showing me solution for Ruby on Rails. Let's add, well, if you will look online, you will get 10, 15 articles. I struggled a lot, spent days figuring out what could be the solution, and every article led me to one specific build pack, which is from Mars. And it is called Mars Create React App Build Pack. Unfortunately, if you go to the GitHub page for this build pack, it clearly says that it is not available anymore. The has run short of time. Now, what to do? I hope you do not spend so much time in figuring out what needs to be done here, and you find my video and you can quickly solve this problem. Let's quickly tell you what the solution for this problem is without wasting so much time on showing you what Google search will lead you to. So basically, I ended up in this article, which was started from some other problem, but took me the solution. So basically, there's a pack, build pack, Puppeteer Heroku buildpack.kit, which we can use in our React application to suppress this warning. So you go to the settings, to the build packs, add this build pack over there, just copy that URL, paste it here, and click on build pack. Your build pack configuration will be deployed on your next deployment. Now, how do we push another deployment? I do not have my GitHub set up yet. If you do have your GitHub connected over here, you can just go to the GitHub tab. Click on GitHub, find the repo name, click on search. When you find it, you'll find the deploy option directly. For now, we'll go to the terminal. We cannot simply push Heroku main because everything is already up to date. What you have to do is allow an empty commit. I know this is a workaround, but for me, this works for now, just to show you that memory error is gone from the logs. I'll allow an empty commit by using command git command commit allow empty with a message of rebuild. Now let's push our changes to Heroku. Git push Heroku main. Once this is done, this will send a build command in Heroku and that will deploy new application to our domain. Once this is done, new deployment will be done in Heroku. And what we have to do is check the website. But before we go there, let's quickly open the logs in a different tab so that we can see that warning is gone from the logs. Let's run the command heroku logs -- tail. The deployment is done. Now, if you go to the website, open it, this will show you that this is rebuilt and available. What we will do is go to the activity tab, check the build log, open the URL, refresh it. Okay, everything is cool. Let's check the logs once again, and you don't see that error message anymore. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.